Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a new fixing spray by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray. It prepares the skin and improves makeup wear. And this is lightweight and quick drying spray that can be used for setting makeup as primer and as refreshment. So you can use it before your makeup, after your makeup, and also through the day. It improves makeup wear, hydrates the skin, and leaves a natural matte finish. Direction: hold bottle 30 cm away from your face and spray evenly. I will use this only on half of my face, and with the check-ins and the wear test we will see if this actually makes our foundation last longer, and we will compare it with the other half of my face to see if there is any difference. I'm not a huge fan of setting sprays. I'm just trying to find if they actually work, and this is how we will see if this one improves our makeup. So I have done my face makeup with the products that I usually use. For primer, I have used the Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base by Catrice Cosmetics. After that, I applied my foundation. I have used the Infallible 24-Hour Matte, and also I mixed it with the Transformer Drops by Catrice, the lightening drops. For concealer, I have used the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. To set everything, I have used the Fixing Powder by Art Deco Cosmetics, and after that I have applied some blush and contouring, and I have also done my brows. For my eye makeup, I have used the To the Moon and Back Eyeshadow Box 4 by Essence. This is a new eyeshadow palette by Essence. I am also reviewing the eyeshadows, so I will link down below the video. So I'm the worst with setting sprays. I always look very awkward when I apply them on my face and very ridiculous basically. So yeah, I will use it, I think, on this half of my face. Some of it will also go to my eyeshadow, so we may see any difference, who knows. I'm also doing a wear test for the eyeshadow palette. Let's see how the mist is. Okay, the mist. Ooh, the mist is very fine. And it has some scent to it. Yeah, but the mist is very fine. It's not like the Essence fixing spray. Oh my god, the Essence one, it was like drops of mist on my... It wasn't a mix, it was drops. So I have used the Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray by Essence in my last drugstore makeup tutorial. I will link it down below. And this was like drops of liquid on my face. So this one, the Catrice one, looks like a very fine mist. I hope this is how it is on my face. Okay, so I am postponing it because I don't like mist and setting sprays. Anyways, so let's do this. I will apply it only on this side. Okay, let's close the eyes. Okay. So I think I have applied everywhere. Yeah. Oh, and I have this Flyer by Kiss Me lipsticks. Okay. It reminds me of lavender. I'm not very sure. Let's see how it smells. It is a very mild scent, and while it dries, it wears off and you don't smell it. I don't have any visible differences right now. I don't have any drops of product, and I like that because the mist is very fine and it doesn't make my foundation to separate. Okay, for now it looks nice. I will do check-ins to see what happens with the fixing spray. Hi guys, so it's been 5 hours and let's do our first check-in and see what happened with the fixing spray. So I will zoom you in. As I can see, on this area I have applied my fixing spray. I have some particles of mascara because I was wearing my glasses and my lashes were hitting the glasses. Anyways, so as I can see, I don't have any weird patches of foundation. I was at home. Also, I went outside and it is freezing cold today. So this side that I don't have a fixing spray on top, it is a little bit more shiny than this one, but the differences are so small. I mean, you don't even understand that I'm not wearing fixing spray on this side. So this side is a little bit stickier than this side, but the difference is very small. I don't know, I am still not convinced that I need fixing spray for my makeup because I don't see a huge difference. Hi guys, so it's been 3 more hours and let's see what happened with our face makeup. I am shiny all over my face. I don't see a very big difference on my face. I mean, I don't see that this side is a lot better from this side. I don't have any weird patches of foundation that was separated. The foundation, my contouring, my blush, all the products that I have used, they are the same. This side, it may be a little bit less shiny, but it's not something visible. I mean, I don't see a difference. I am still not convinced that I need a fixing spray. So I will still use this one in other makeup tutorials and I will keep you posted every time that I use it in the description box, and I will tell you, does this do something or not? I don't think it will do. I'm not a fan of fixing sprays. I just think it is an extra product that they are trying to promote us to buy. I mean, the makeup companies, I don't feel that this is something that you need in your makeup routine, and I have tested it. I mean, I don't see a difference. I have done the same test with the Decay fixing spray in my makeup tutorial with all the superstar favorites from Sephora. I will link it down below. I like that it has a very fine mist. If you are into setting sprays, you can test it and see if it works for you. Let me know in the comments below if you have found a fixing spray that works for you, if you like them, if you use them in your makeup routine. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!